Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on a Usdchf short. Overall, this is a mistake, I would say, because we can see even though the overall trend is down, that's the bigger time frame. The bigger time frame trend is down. This is like a daily downtrend, but it's always a mistake to play all this kind of bigger time trend. So what we want to do is, because since we going to trade in quick in quick out, get a 2R every trade, 2 to 3R every trade. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 200 EMA as a trend, the direction of the trend. So the direction of the trend is up. I actually have to look for longs instead of short. After we can see if this fails many times, then we can go long. So first of all, this push up breaks the downtrend and going to the uptrend. So when it pull back, I actually should look for long instead of a short. Okay. So first of all, use a EMA as an indicator for the flow, for the EMA for the direction to buy. Then we fine tune find the slowdown of the candles and use volume to gauge on whether it's good to buy or not. Then after that, we decided to hit entry or not. So the main thing is EMA wrong. I just try to go back to the downtrend, but there's no point, to be honest. Keep the short term trend.